I almost loved you. I almost love you in the quiet moments between breaths, in the spaces where words dared not tread. I almost loved you. Your laughter was a melody, a song that played in the background of my thoughts, a tune I hummed in the silence of my heart. I almost loved you, but fear held my tongue, and doubt clouded my vision. I stood on the edge of confession, but never took the leap. I almost loved you. The stolen glances and fleeting touches. In the dreams that danced just out of reach. I almost love you. Now, the echoes of what could have been haunt the corridors of my mind. A reminder of the love that almost was, but never came to be. I almost loved you, and in that almost, I found a universe of possibilities. A world where we could have been but never were.